down in the next block.
Over Wilson or just up to Wilson?
That way. Towards the high school.
I thought he was going to turn around at Wilson. What's Daddy doing, dude? Where's Pete?
Yeah.
He's all the way down that way. Are you getting a little cold, man?
No.
You sure? Just trying to clean your back off where I got you with the snowball. Perfect aim. Hey, does Mommy have good aim?
Yeah.
Thank you. You trying to catch the snow? It's hard to catch it, huh?
I want you to.
You want me to catch it?
Yeah.
Come here, let me have your hat first. Come here. Bring your head over here. Paco. Is he coming back up this way?
Sounds like it. I don't know where he is.
I just want to cover your ear. Come here.
I want you to do it. I want you to do it now.
Okay, here you go. Go that way. Go back towards the house. We need to get the rest of that.
Oh my. Woo! Ha-ha!
I need this.
Can you see? Did I pull that up too high?
Yeah, whatever.
Oh, are you doing the yard now?
I want to do that right now.
Okay.
I want to do it inside.
Oh, could you fix his hat? His ears are totally out.
Not do inside.
Well, we have to go inside soon, bud. We got to get lunch and warm up.
No, not yet.
It's cold.
Not quite yet.
Should we go back in the backyard?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. You want to bring the broom? Okay. Alright. Can you do the stairs here first? Can Daddy have one more turn with the broom so we can do the stairs here?